Hi guys, today we will learn AND function. What is the AND function? It is in simple language, if both conditions should be satisfied, then only the formula will work. And simply only an AND function, it's not practical use, but you should learn AND function to use in this combo of if AND function, which we will be learning in next video. But what is the AND function? Now example is the same. We have a details and we have amount due. Now I need to apply a certain condition. If it is greater than 1000 and less than 1200, then a result should come. So start with AND function. You can check whether your all arguments are true, then it will show as a true. If not all arguments are true, then it is false. Simple. Your both conditions should be satisfied, then only it will show a true. B2 should be greater than 1000, my first condition. And if you see, formula is asking for logical test 2, which is B2 should be less than 1200. So wherever the amount between 1000 and 1200, it will show as a true, or else it will show as a false. So just copying the formula. See, wherever true is coming, it is between 1000 and 1200. So like this way you can use this condition to put a certain message, which we will be learning in our next video. AND function will satisfy all condition and result will be showing as a true. By using this logic, you can build this formula within the if function. That's it for this video. If you have any doubt related to AND function, only AND function, comment it or share the video this with your all friends. Thank you so much guys.